Losing weight and building muscle can be a difficult process, but with the right approach and dedication, it can be done. There are many ways to lose weight, but some methods are more effective than others. So if you're looking to lose weight and build muscle, there are a few exercises you can do to get started. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start out in a plank position, shoulders above wrists, with your arms and legs straight. Then inhale deeply, then, as you exhale, lower your chest toward the floor while bending your elbows out to the sides. Once your elbows and shoulders are in alignment, stop. To straighten the arms, inhale. This counts as 1 rep. And to modify, kneel on the ground while performing this exercise. The squat is a basic exercise that can help you lose weight. To do a squat, start with your feet shoulder width apart, feet slightly turned out. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if you were going to sit back into a chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight as you lower yourself. Once your thighs are parallel to the ground, press through your heels to return to the starting position. Burpees are a great way to lose weight. They are a full-body exercise that gets your heart rate up and burns a lot of calories. They are also very simple to do and don't require any equipment. Start in a standing position with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands at your sides. Lower your body into a squatting position. Place your hands on the ground in front of you and kick your legs out behind you so that you end up in a push-up position. Lower your body down to the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Repeat the move as many times as you can. High knees can help to build strength in the legs and core, and can also help to improve cardiovascular fitness. To do it, start standing with your feet hip width apart. With your palms facing the ground, position your hands so that they are slightly over your belly button. Raise your right knee up toward your chest to meet your right hand. Immediately repeat this on your left leg, by bringing your left knee up to your left hand. Then continue alternating legs for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Lunge is a great exercise for toning your legs and improving your balance. It can also help to improve your flexibility. Begin standing with your feet hip width apart, shoulders down and back, and core engaged. Step forward with your right leg, landing on your heel first. Bend your right knee and sink your hips low until your left thigh is parallel to the ground. Push off your right heel to return to standing. Repeat on the other side. Make sure you get enough rest between workouts. This will help your body recover and get stronger. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.